Stop what you're doing right now and look at the back of your television. There's probably a small black box hidden there. For years, you have completely ignored it. You probably think the Apple TV is a dead product. You probably think Apple gave up on the living room entirely to focus on the iPhone, the iPad, and the Mac. It is very easy to see why you would think that. The Apple TV has not changed its design or major purpose in years. It feels like a relic from a totally different decade. While companies like Amazon and Roku were busy selling cheap $30 streaming sticks at every local grocery store, Apple just stayed silent. Most people thought they simply lost the streaming war. They thought Apple just packed up and walked away. But I am here to tell you today that the silence was a complete lie. Something massive is happening inside the global tech supply chain right now. Brilliant engineers are working in secret labs around the clock. They're actively prepping factory lines for a device that should not even exist yet. We recently got our hands on a groundbreaking data dump regarding the brand new 2026 model of the Apple TV. Apple is not just making a new television box to watch movies. They're bringing a nuclear weapon to a knife fight. This is the spring trap we have all been waiting for. The very first clue that something unusual is happening is the actual timeline of the release. Apple loves the fall season. They always want you to buy their shiny new gadgets right before the holidays. It makes them billions of dollars every single year. But the most solid information for this new Apple TV points directly to the spring of 2026. This is a very rare move for the company. Apple only launches major, game-changing hardware in the spring if it is incredibly special. Recent discoveries found a major reason why. Deep inside secret software code, there's a build called tvOS 26.4. The physical hardware is actually ready right now. The plastic is already molded. The metal is already cast. But the digital brain of the device is not quite ready. Apple is purposefully holding this release back. They are waiting for their brand new artificial intelligence stack to fully stabilize and work perfectly. They know that in the year 2026, releasing a dumb streaming box is business suicide. Your kitchen fridge already has Netflix. Your basic smart TV already has all the apps you need. Apple knows they need to give you a massive reason to buy a separate box. So, they are building a literal supercomputer for your living room. Let us talk about the beating heart of this new machine. The industry reports are absolutely shocking. They claim the new Apple TV unit is powered by the massive A17 Pro chip. Yes, this is the exact same ultra-powerful chip found inside the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, I know exactly what you are thinking right now. You remember how hot that phone got when it first launched. You remember people complaining that it burned their hands while playing games. You're thinking about the battery dying in just 3 hours under heavy load. But you have to understand the basic rules of physics. In a mobile phone, that massive chip is basically a prisoner. It is trapped inside a tiny glass sandwich with zero air circulation. But inside an Apple TV, the environment is completely different. You have a thick box with plenty of empty space. You have a giant metal heat sink to absorb the heat. Most importantly, you have an active cooling fan and unlimited power drawing right from your wall outlet. This changes everything. This allows the A17 Pro chip to redline and run at maximum capacity without ever getting hot. Apple is finally taking off the handcuffs. They're letting the engine scream. Because of this raw power, this is not just a video player anymore. It is a legitimate gaming console. We have heard this exact promise for 10 long years. Apple always says they care about gaming on the TV, and then they just give us mobile games like Crossy Road. It was always a massive disappointment for real gamers. But the A17 Pro chip changes this entire narrative. This chip has hardware-accelerated ray tracing built right into the silicon. This is not some cheap software trick. This is the exact same high-end technology found inside the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. It makes digital light, reflections, and shadows look exactly like real life. Apple is finally convincing massive game developers to bring huge titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed straight to the living room. Imagine playing these massive, beautiful games natively on a tiny Apple box. There is no cloud gaming lag. There is no blurry streaming resolution. It is just pure raw local power. They are directly going after the Nintendo Switch market. They're going after the casual and mid-core gamer who really wants to play great games but does not want a giant, ugly plastic console sitting in their beautiful living room. For the first time ever in Apple's history, the hardware is not the bottleneck. The power is finally there. Apple just has to drive it forward. But the absolute biggest upgrade is actually the one you cannot even see with your eyes. It is called Wi-Fi 7. When most people hear about a new Wi-Fi standard, they just think it means faster movie downloads. That is totally wrong. Wi-Fi 7 is all about smart traffic control. Think about your house right now. You have phones, tablets, smart lights, smart speakers, and laptops everywhere. Your invisible wireless airways are completely clogged with junk data from your devices and your neighbor's devices. This is exactly why your high-quality video sometimes lags. This is why your smart home commands feel broken or delayed. Wi-Fi 7 fixes all of this by opening up a brand new 6 GHz band. It is exactly like building a private 10-lane superhighway just for your own personal data. Nobody else in your neighborhood is allowed to drive on it. Your neighbor watching Netflix will never slow down your intense gaming session. Your microwave turning on will not interfere with your 4K movie stream. It makes the entire device feel incredibly instant. There are no more spinning loading circles. There's no more waiting for apps to open. It is the invisible magic that makes a technology product feel truly premium. So what is the final verdict? Is the 2026 Apple TV overhyped? In my best opinion, the 2026 Apple TV is the biggest game changer Apple has released in many years. It is the very first time Apple is treating the living room as a true pro space. By putting the massive A17 Pro chip in a heavily cooled environment, they are creating a stealth gaming console. It is the absolute perfect device for people who want PlayStation 5 level graphics without the giant plastic box and without the complicated gaming menus. They are finally using their insane silicon power to completely own the center of the home. They're bridging the massive gap between a simple movie streamer and a high-end computer. If Apple pulls this off, the traditional gaming and streaming competition is in serious trouble. They are building a rock-solid foundation for the next entire decade of home entertainment. This is the device that will finally make your expensive smart TV look incredibly stupid. This is Apple's M1 moment, but for the television. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What do you think? Is Apple finally going to win the living room? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.